Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the newest Clover Go. This is the Clover Go 3rd generation. So here we have the box. I'll show you guys the front and the back. Shows you how to do a quick setup there. So let me take it out of the box. You'll see here you have the little Clover logo. And voila, we have our Clover Go. This is a Clover Go 3rd generation, as I already mentioned. Basically, the difference between this Clover and the other Clover Go is right away the size and the shape. And this Clover Go is also more impact resistant, and it also has a longer battery life. So definitely some good upgrades here on the Clover Go 3rd generation. This is a great either addition to your existing Clover POS setup, or awesome for any mobile businesses looking to take payments everywhere on the go. Underneath here, so you guys can see, we have the little Clover Go Quick Start Guide. And we also have the lanyard and the charger, which you can hook up to any USB charger from your wall. Alright, so that is it for our Clover Go 3rd generation unboxing. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this, and let us know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.